Marketing campaigns are most effective when they are targeted to those who have a higher level of interest in the subject matter. In Dynamics 365 for Marketing, segments are used to divide contacts based on key data points, such as geography or interest. These can then be leveraged in campaigns to target a specific audience. Dynamics 365 for Marketing uses segments in two important ways: through customer journeys and subscription lists. Most customer journeys start with a segment, which establishes the collection of contacts that will experience that journey. Subscription lists are static lists that contacts add themselves to or remove themselves from using a subscription center. Dynamics 365 for Marketing works together with another product called Dynamics 365 for Customer Insights. Through this integration, your contact records and marketing lists are synchronized between the two systems. This lets Customer Insights apply its powerful data processing and analytical tools to your contacts, enabling advanced segmentation and customer analytics. A subscription center is a marketing page that known contacts can use to manage their communication preferences and contact details. All marketing email messages that you create must include a link to a subscription center. There are two important reasons for this. First, many countries and regions have laws that require all marketing email messages include an unsubscribe link. Second, spam filters and internet reputation monitors can identify marketing email messages and might remove those that don't include an unsubscribe link. Additionally, your subscription center can present several other subscription options, such as a list of available newsletters. By doing this, you learn more about your contacts' interests while giving them more options beyond the legally required do not bulk email. Marketing pages and marketing forms work together. A marketing page is a web page hosted by Dynamics 365. A marketing form is an input form that captures information about leads and contacts. Marketing pages typically include a form where people can register for an offer, update their contact information, manage mailing list subscriptions, and more. All the information submitted through a marketing page is automatically captured by Dynamics 365 and immediately applied to your customer database. There are three types of marketing pages. A landing page is a web page with an input form that visitors can use to sign up for an offer, request a document download, or register for an event. A subscription center is a web page where recipients can go to unsubscribe, choose other lists to subscribe to, or update their contact information. A forward to a friend marketing page is a web page that you create and encourage contacts to use rather than just forwarding the email. Using this method, you'll collect more email addresses of people who might be interested in your products or services. A marketing form is an input form added to a marketing page. Each marketing form is made from a collection of form fields and graphic elements. Forms are standalone records, and each of them can be used on any number of marketing pages. In day-to-day work, you'll often reuse existing forms rather than create a new one for each marketing page. By using marketing pages and forms, you will be able to share the information across your business and understand how every interaction impacts results. Additionally, connecting sales and marketing processes enables you to automate follow-ups and track the progress of your leads. A lead is an expression of interest in a product or service made within a specific marketing effort. Leads are a major component of marketing to help identify potential customers. In Dynamics 365, leads can be added manually or generated automatically through marketing pages. When leads are automatically generated, additional information such as the email message, customer journey, or marketing page are associated to the lead record. Leads can also be brought in using the LinkedIn integration. LinkedIn will search for existing records that match the criteria you set. Marketers typically work with hundreds of leads at once, but only a fraction of those deserve special attention from sales. In order to identify these leads, Dynamics 365 for Marketing provides a numeric scoring value you can place on leads based on your business criteria. Lead scoring models are used to determine a unique set of conditions to either increase or decrease a lead score based on demographic or firmographic data, as well as marketing interactions. For example, a lead scoring model could increase a lead score slightly in response to a single website visit, but increase the score significantly in response to an event registration. It might also increase or decrease a lead score based on information about the associated contact or company, such as location, purchase history, job title, and more.